Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X12 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And secondly, make sure that you've got your Google account added to the device because without it you will not be able to follow my steps. So let's start by entering the Play Store. Okay, not now. No, thank you. And right now all we have to do is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account. Then let's go to My Apps and Games, and right here we've got the section Updates available. So you can either update all and do not check it, but you can also simply tap on it and check all of the updates which are pending, which can be downloaded. So basically, if you wish, you can also go through them one by one. So for example, if you will decide that you wish to download only 2 of those apps, simply find them and then tap on update next to it. But you can also simply tap on update all and your device will download them. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.